Go for a walk? Oh.
You wanna go walk in some movies with Daddy? Let's go!
1, 2. Go for a walk.
You wanna go for
a walk?
Are you with me for a walk? A walk. You go for a walk, Turkey? Go to the dog park? She won't move. Are you okay? Evie, come. Good job.
Oh my god!
Come on. Good boy.
I threw myself at the massage.
Come on. Come on, Bubba. I'm wishing on a star. Where did you come?
Oh.
Hey, Foo. What are you wooing at me, Foo?
You're a good boy, yes and yes. Oh, you little fucker. Ah! Ah!
Hey, buddy, what's up? Oh! Hi, how are you? Oh, okay. Okay.
Hey. Oh, shit.
Hi, can I touch you? Oh, okay.
Hey, are you a friendly doggy? Not friendly, not friendly, not friendly, not friendly.
Hello. Oh my god, okay. No. Oh shit. High five? Stop!
It does. These are just bar receipts.
Come on. It's okay. It's just a kitty kitty. Like,
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh my god. No, I don't know who.
va a subir en un rato. Ahí vemos la rama.
At throwing things with their mouth. Yep.
Here, brush your teeth. No, you eat it.
Pew pew.
Would you like to lean your head on my shoulder? Oh, no.
Excuse you.
No? Alright, that's fine. I won't give it to you. Oh!
Good morning, buddy. I'm kind of scared. Why are you standing like that?
Hello.
It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't leave me in the house, right?
Bit.
Taking up too much energy because I feel like, he's not wrong.
Oh shit!
Flop. My.
Look at that.
I said no, ma'am.
High five. Too slow.
Oh my God, my Shayla.
My guard dog.
Come on, Amaya.
Kona, really?
Get it off the couch.
Take it out.
thought it was a baby reindeer.
Marley, what do you think you're doing?
Come on, let's go. I like your stick. That's a really good one.
Go, Kylie, go. Good job, Kylie. You're doing amazing. Bro, get your damn dog! Bro, chill the fuck out! Bro, chill the fuck out!
And look what he got. Oh, God damn! But get your dog, bro. Why you do this, bro? Calm down. Get your dog, bro.
Oh, she don't be there.
Bro.
He's attacking me, bro. Get him. Bro, get him, bro.
He's wriggling. He's alive.
Please, can you get him off? He's really not cute. He's really not cute.
Don't run, don't run. Don't run. He's just checking you out. You like don't looking at me like that.
She's not gonna hurt you.
No, I am. You not see my hand there? Come. Yeah, but you not see my hand?
Whose grandma is that?
Wait, bro, there's a dog right there.
A dog? Are you serious?
Oh, man, come on. Goddamn, man. Get up.
Soft hands. Come on. Come on, soft hands. Sit your ass down!
Get down. Get the fuck off me.
No, your cage. Go get your ass in your motherfucking cage. Get out. Get the fuck out!
Stop, MJ.
Didn't I say fucking stop?
Go to your bed. No, go in your bed. Get in your bed. Go. Get in that bed. Girl, get that damn toy out my bed now. Get it out my... Get it out.
Lay down.
Lay your motherfucking ass down.
I'm not taking you outside. It's too hot for you.
I said it's too hot.
So, go to bed. Hey, go to bed now.
See, that gentle parenting shit don't work over here. Kylo, get your ass off my motherfucking bed. Go. Get the fuck down.
Get out the kitchen. Get your dumb ass out the kitchen. Go.
Hi. Hi,
Hey, boy. What's up? Hey.
Hello. He's like, I have to say hello. Sorry.
Oh my god, you're so cute. He's so friendly.
Bro, Wallah's the cutest thing ever, bro.
Big boy.
See? That's her jam. And then she just comes back.
Oh my god.